like, you know. But it's a lesson to like youths and generations to come, you know. It's a lesson. I make friends. I don't make friends to choose me. I choose my fucking friends, you know. When it's business I'm doing, like if I want to do a song with any Nigerian artist, I believe it's business. I believe it's love. You know what I'm saying? Because I love every Nigerian artist, you know. But Burna just, you know, fucked up because everybody, plenty people, if I don't talk everybody, say plenty people. You understand me? No. How me nigga roll for Ghana and things. You understand me? So if me ain't get problem, why you know go approach me then? You tell people offline. Yeah, nigga, I'm gonna do it online for you, man. Online. Do it offline, I do it online. Make somebody tell you, say, Gans, we did talk something. Say Jay Kuklo, you understand me? As you come Ghana, a whole lot of things where you tell me, I'll hold them for you. So if you get problem plus me, you will tell me. Because me, your things you tell me about Ghana, me, I'll hold them for you. The things you tell me about Ghana, me, I'll hold them for you. Nigga, it's all love. But make we all be careful. You understand me? Sometimes you don't get friends like this. Friends where if they get problem, they don't go fit tell you. It's a disease. Friends where if they get problem with you, they don't go fit tell you. They know for be your friends. Friends where if they get problem with you, where they don't go fit tell you. Yo, then if you know say you yourself you did, you be God. Anybody will get problem when you no go fit tell you. Anybody will get problem with you when you no go fit tell you. Then if you know say you be special spirit. Anybody will get problem with you when you no go fit tell you. Bad man. Then if you know say you be bad man. Anybody will get problem when you no go fit tell you. Then if you know say that person, your spirit over him. I'll tell you something, my Jews. You know be easy, man. You know be easy. You understand me? People get problem with you, they know if you tell you. Hey! Then you control them rough. Hey, brother. Forget yourself for there. Eh? This one, for just take learn lesson. You understand me? If you get problem with me, come tell me. Eh? And this thing problem. Get it big up by G. And let me put it say, yeah, this is how we roll, my nigga. Like, They guys behave like, guess. They guys behave like, guess. You get problem with me, you know they tell me. You tell people. That's why, some of my fans say, oh, why you not rolling with Burna? Oh, we don't see you, Burna. I say, oh, I don't know why this somebody call, I really pick. So this be your problem. If you tell me, say like you leave some $100,000 for me, where I touch them, or you leave some your girl for me, where I chop them, where you invest, or something. If it be some matter, if it be some problem, if it be something where they go talk, oh no, shatter, you know this one there, why Burna for, you know, if it be some matter. But me, my G, like some time ago, where it be like something like this, where I told somebody. You ask my boy. He say, why? I know be your boy. I know be your. Say, nigga, like you don't understand, like you understand street. If you understand street, some languages they say for the boy. Nigga, you get problem. You see me, Burna, you see me, Ghana music industry get problem with me. They really fit tell me. Ghana music industry, the whole music industry, you see the way it's small? They get problem with you, but they can't tell me. So I understand you. Yeah. If like this, get problem with me, they don't know if you tell me. The individual, bad man. It's no life, you know. Don't get problem. Don't get problem. I mean, then you go tell your next man. If you know say you love your friend, if you know say you have friend where you love him, if you do something, tell him. That is what God wants. That's why God did. You understand? Say, because if you get problem, you know they keep me. I know they people. Me, I can't keep things in my heart, man. Like my nigga, like fuck everything. Like I do, you know. Sometimes I play small, I do comedy, I do this, I do that. Bad man, I know they keep things from my heart. Cause when I switch my gangster mode, it be serious. I don't go like, me Ghana, everybody know me. I say sometimes I never watch something that shout out Ali. Yes. Who no? Who no for Ghana? Who no? I know. Bad man, I don't be anything. Yeah. This is man want to stick in life from some things, you forget some things. You understand what I'm saying? But who no? Bad man, don't be anything, don't be play thing, don't be joke thing, Charlie. This thing don't be here. It ain't be just anything there. It's something with there. You understand me? Get problem plus man. Tell your brother, but I get problem plus you. The thing where you do this one, where you do this one, where you do, I no like. That be how real G's they behave. That be how real G's they go. That be how real G's they move. Yeah, Ghana self with there. Never say gang. They don't understand gang. If you say gang, it's not gang. You understand gang? You understand? But you just wake up now, you just start doing music and want to do gang. But man, you know easy like that. Oh, you know easy. You understand me? Don't see things like that. Where we pass, where we can't do music inside, if only God know. If only God way make this way. If only God. That's why some of you know they help me. Oh. Some of you. If you get opportunity, you get opportunity, you do some things. I not talk say, come help me, come do anything. But you see, it's nice for a brother to say, yo, nigga, like we could do this, like let's it's nice. But you see, I don't need any of your help. You people know they help me. Africa, you know the like if they get some opportunity, you know they make man the hell. But you see, man keeps flying wherever he did, I did it. Wherever he did, I did it. Nobody say anything. You see Nigeria, you shoot Africa, boom, like you know Burna Boy wish Nigeria. Nigerian musicians, from where I knew from Two Face to whoever, you guys have really built a great mansion for yourself. For yourselves. Let me put it that way. So it's not easy. You understand me? Our industry, we are still struggling. That's why when you guys come to Ghana, I know they see the way Ghana artists, they, come together, you see, in Nigeria, artists come Ghana, when the Ghana artists come there, hey, daddy, give us biscuit. Hey, I know they chop biscuit like that. I'm not a pom-pom guy. Daddy, give me pom-pom. I want a pom-pom. I'm not a do things like that. Hey, man. You know they easy to mix up. Me, I know they easy to mix up. No. Don't see me like watch it and come at shit and macaroni and this thing. Don't see me like that. You can mix up like that. You get me? You gotta do things like that. Alright. So I put it there, you won't just keep friend. You know, if that was not put it do friend. I don't do friend. Because some I put him in my body, in my gang. Like I don't we're friends. Everybody's my blood. Come out. You know, everybody will come. You are if somebody. You understand what I'm saying? Come to there, come to do this thing like, something. You gotta knock my noodles. Let me get problem. Just what can't tell me. Big man, why you go TV talk? Go talk say, as I come Ghana, you give me house. If you they watch me. The first question I'm going at you be say, if you like, I don't give you house to sleep in free. I don't give you car. No be cars to drive. That one be true. But I no go TV talk or radio talk. Go talk. Make it look like. If you watch the interview, if you be intelligent, if you watch the interview and say no, the talking from some place where you can where they ask me my life with you, how we some interview like that. Some nonsense cutting they cut the thing for you, they say, you know, you believe you because of social media. Because of social media, your real G becomes your enemy. Man nigga. Don't play like that too. Don't do that thing. You understand me? Don't behave like a child. Don't do that. You understand me? The person said what he's saying the thing. You said why? The person he bala you, he change your mind. You watch, you your man, shatter. You watch me like this. It is to say you Benna. I will go talk your body yawa thing for some place. Hey, nigga, you just fuck up. You just fuck up, I swear. You just fuck up. You just fuck up. I don't lie. But all the same may be good. As you can see me, they'll not be hungry right now. As you can see me, like you see me like me, I complete music because the properties I show you if you believe. You see me like me, I complete. You not be anything. You understand me? Because Ghana music, you know, easy. To see how God open door for me. I utilize, I use my head. Right now, if global way, is it global? The way you go round the world, if you so I won't go around the world. So leave me. The same way you can't meet me here, Shatawale. Say if you so no, where is he? White people for the world, they understand music. If you have good stuff, people will buy it. God has blessed you to get your good stuff, and people are buying it. I thank God for that because you have once been my G. Today you say I go talk for radio talk. Say me, I say I rent, I give you house, I give you car, but I disgrace you. I hear the way you take up like that. But it's so funny, my nigga. Like it's so funny. It be funny. See, you go think like that. Charlie, members, make it project this matter because with this matter, I know if he think about him we as I said right. So that boy Benna boy he come Ghana. He no want link me. Me had the call him, you know the pick. If you call him, I know the pick. That be why. This be the reason why Benna. So I just do this. Go read it. You go read it. You see, I go read it up. Go talk. See, so he go offline. He tell as he come Ghana because people know say me and you they roll or me and you roll before. People said no say me and you. I don't know say me and you said get matter. Bad man, you be dead when me and you get matter. We know if you call me. Oh nigga, Charlie. Sometimes Charlie, Africa. To watch a man like me, when you know say me my life be straight, my life no be crooked. You can watch a man like me, when you get problem. Oh man, nigga, like you know be G, I no go lie, like you know if you know, and then if I make I see your difference, you understand me? Cause we dey streets, but man dey streets, me I dey streets. You know say me I be streets. I don't do anything apart from streets, nigga. If the street way blow me, nobody blow me. Benna boy, see, nobody blow me. He be streets. God, he made the streets. The street is full of people. I'm not talking about sea sand. Lovely people, sweet people. That will say, yo, I love Shatter's music. I fuck with Shatter. Shatter is the thing. Shatter is the ish. It's the streets, my nigga. Like I didn't go through them. Yeah, shouts to MTV Base and them people now. Like everybody like keeps like nominating me and stuff. Like I like them because yeah, the street help me out where I can catch you. So you see me, I'm not fucking living the streets any which way. The street is my fucking life, and I'll fucking serve the streets.